Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NVIDIA. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 4th, 2024, our system has ranked NVIDIA as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.42. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 30% over the coming months, with possible returns ranging from nearly 23% to over 42%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of nearly 160% over the next year, with potential returns between 126% and 179%. This translates to a price range of approximately $328.53 to $404.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NVIDIA includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for NVIDIA Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The NVIDIA stock price increased by 3.48% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024. It rose from $140.27 to $145.14. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.92%, with a low of $140.29 and a high of $145.79. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, but remains down by 1.27% for this period. Trading volume increased as well, with a total of 63 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 215 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $31.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $152.89, while the lowest was $45.41. Currently, the price is 5.07%, or $7.75, below the 52-week high of $152.89, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. NVIDIA continues to show strong momentum, establishing itself as a top choice for investors, especially as the S&P 500 approaches the 7,000 mark. Following a recent sharp rally in its stock, NVIDIA is reaffirming its status among the Magnificent Seven, significantly bolstered by a remarkable surge in its data center revenue, which rose by 112% year over year to nearly $30.8 billion in the third quarter of fiscal year 2025. This growth, largely driven by its advanced Hopper GPUs, underscores NVIDIA's resilience in the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence landscape. Furthermore, their partnership with Schneider Electric to innovate cooling systems for AI data centers showcases NVIDIA's proactive approach to addressing infrastructure needs in the expanding AI sector. This collaboration not only strengthens NVIDIA's operational capabilities, but also enhances its long-term growth potential. However, it is important to acknowledge the competitive pressures from companies like Marvell, which have surfaced as alternative players in the AI chip market, potentially affecting NVIDIA's market share. Analysts indicate that while sentiment remains optimistic about NVIDIA, concerns regarding gross margin compression may influence short-term profitability. With the market closely monitoring generative AI as it unlocks new productivity avenues, NVIDIA is well-positioned for both short and long-term growth, depending on its ability to effectively navigate competition and market challenges. This balanced perspective is likely to shape investor sentiment, potentially supporting stock prices amid broader market fluctuations. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned NVDA a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, Wolfe Research rated NVDA as outperform and also took a hold action. On the same day, Craig Hallam gave NVDA a buy rating with a hold action as well. Additionally, Deutsche Bank reported on that Thursday, assigning NVDA a hold rating while recommending a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated NVDA as overweight and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned NVIDIA stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell designation. In terms of return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. The NVIDIA stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is an overarching sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected around the levels of $138.65 and $141.36. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is seen as a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have been observed that may impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.51%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a buy 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages demonstrated a buy signal 5 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 44 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you are looking for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.60 and $119.14. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, NVIDIA's immediate support lies just below today's level at $131.60. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $119.14 and $116.91. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.50 between its high and low, translating to 3.92%. For the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2026 is anticipated on the 19th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 83 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $145.61. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA encounters its first support level at $131.60. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from multiple analyst sources stands at a neutral position. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of November, 2024, Dabiri John executed an insider sale of 716 shares of common stock. On the 7th of November, 2024, Ochoa Ellen conducted an insider purchase of no shares. On the 9th of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A performed an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A executed an insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 97.239. In total, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,813,866 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $139.16, representing a decrease of 4.12%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 18 days ago. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for NVIDIA stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis, changing our recommendation from a sell to a buy. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of December, we anticipate that NVIDIA will open lower, decreasing by $1.40, with an initial trading price of $143.74. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.